Hi, I'm Akshat Goel. I did my class 12th education with a commerce background, and something I found really interesting was the nexus that exists between law and the various other disciplines, such as economics or political sciences. And this is something that really pushed me to take up law and explore this as a career opportunity and delve more into the subject. There are various factors that really inspired me. So I read about the famous lawyers such as Krishna Iyer or Chandrachud, and this is something that really interested me, how their life scoped out and how they have made a name for themselves, and the brevity of which they interact with the law and with the community as a whole, how they are able to give back to the community. Similar instances outside India also, like Barack Obama and various other famous politicians and social workers, and how studying law helped them give back to the society a lot and help them give direction. So that is something that really interested me. Among the various entrances exams for law school that I took, LSAT was one of the most convenient exams because I was able to take it from my home itself. I didn't have to go to a center, wait in long queues and all of that. So LSAT as a test taking experience was really great. I also personally liked and enjoyed solving an LSAT question paper, considering how it is structured and the type of questions that you see in LSAT. So, like for example, you do not have general knowledge or mathematics or legal reasoning, which I honestly think isn't that relevant for a law entrance test, and that is why I really resonated with the LSAT exam, and my test taking experience was really nice. LSAT was really helpful in the sense that there were various free resources that were available to us, which was provided by LSAT itself. And also, so I faced a couple of technical issues during the exam. So I found that the LSAT support team was really useful, and like I was able to call them between my test and they were able to solve all the issues I had, and I did not face any time penalty or any disadvantage because lacking a proper internet connection during the time. So that is something I really found helpful and was really helped me concentrate more on my exam and make the whole test taking process smoother and more beneficial for me. Primarily, my preparation for the LSAT India test was from the resources that LSAT had provided. So they provided various question banks and past year papers, which I found was really helpful. And also the guide that they provided on how to tackle every issue and every kind of question. This preparation was also supplemented by my general preparation for law entrance exams, which was done at a coaching center. An inspiration for me to take up law was the experiences of people who have taken up law as a subject to pursue in their undergraduate program. Even though law is a subject that is extremely interdimensional and it is a holistic subject. For me, law is a better understanding of our society, a better understanding of where we are going, and a better understanding how we can improve ourselves. That essentially to me is what law is. After giving the LSAT exam, after seeing how well I had performed, it was a huge confident boost for me because I understood to a deeper length to what my aptitude was and how well I could perform in other exams too. So in a way, LSAT really pushed me to perform better. It gave me a confidence boost, and also there was this security, that feeling of security that you had other colleges to fall back upon in case what your primary goal was, it could not be achieved. And also in the when we talk about the test pattern, so LSAT, the reading comprehension and the logic sections that LSAT has, I think it is unparalleled to the various other law entrance exams. So when you're preparing for exams such as LSAT, your quotient and your understanding of logical reasoning and English is improved to such a height. It helps you perform better in other exams too. I can't give a definitive answer to this simply because of the fact that I honestly do not know. I have certain preferences. Like I'm really interested in the corporate sector, in stuff like mergers and acquisitions or stuff such as IP law and competition law. Also international law and constitutional law. These are certain aspects that are really interesting to me. However, I think my 5 years at pursuing a legal education will help me figure out better what my interests are and will help me decide what particular field of law I want to take up further. One of the major reasons why I wanted to pursue a legal education, I wanted to do law, was to be able to give back to society. not only on a national scale but also on a global scale. Some issues that are really close to my heart are environmental conservatism and also criminal reformation of the judicial process that is present in India currently. So these are some of the issues that I really want to delve further into and bring about significant change. I think our legal education, it gives you the power and gives you the platform to implement those changes. That just don't give up in the middle of your preparation. So I faced various hiccups where my practice test scores were going down. I was not being able to concentrate. However, just trying your best, giving in your best effort, and just trying to better yourself is all you need to do. Just try and not give up. Every day you will face multiple challenges. You will find new types of questions that you might not be able to understand. And when you're comparing your test scores with other people, you might think that you're not performing well, or you might lose hope. The most important thing is understanding that this is not a sprint race, rather it is a marathon. I need to give in your preparation. I need to take it a day at a stage. That is something that would really help yourself, that will really help you. Having that right mindset when you're giving the test is extremely important, and that is the most essential factor when you're giving the test, right? So your skills, however important it may be, various other people might have similar aptitude as you might have. However, what will differentiate you from the other people is how calm you can be when you're facing when you're in the stressful situation of the test taking process.